In this course update that I wanted to share here with you, our instructor Sam Shimizu Jones goes over his travel kit. So what does he have in his bag right now when he goes out and travels for photography? So I hope you enjoy.
Hey everyone, Sam Shimizu Jones here, and today we are going to walk through sort of my travel kit, what the gear is that I bring when I go out on the road. A few months ago, my Sony a7R III was damaged beyond repair while I was out on a camping trip, and so I switched basically my entire kit. I moved away from Sony, bought into Leica, but have had some interesting things come up along the way because Leica is extremely expensive, and so I actually only own one Leica glass right now, or lens right now. But yeah, so let's just go through what's in my kit. Going to be jumping between my Leica, which I'm filming this on right now, and also some iPhone footage just to show you what my setup here is. But before I get into that, let's start with my camera bag. Here I have the Shimoda Action X30, 30 liter. I also have a larger kit, but this is the one that I currently use and really love. It has this roll top here, which you can open up and put some stuff inside, like clothing, water, food, all that kind of fun stuff. They have really excellent straps, so for longer hikes, very comfortable. And then on the inside, you have an internal unit in which all the camera stuff can go into. So let's open that up. So here you have the internal unit. This is what goes inside of the backpack. I really like the whole system from Shimoda. I think they make amazing backpacks. If you're trying to go hiking with your camera gear, I highly recommend them. The designer actually came from F-Stop, who also makes great camera bags, but I just like the Shimoda a lot. So looking in here, just some extra cabling. So right here goes my Leica Sl2 with either the lens I'm using right now, which is a Sigma 12 or 14 to 24 2.8 art lens, or this one. So this is my only Leica official glass, Leica 90 or SL90. It's a Summicron f2. Really love this lens. Great portrait lens, great telephoto, amazing quality. I'm so excited to build out my kit, but as for now, that's my only Leica. Moving on from that, I have my Voigtlander 35 f1.2. I've used this lens probably the most of any, and it has gotten beaten up over the years, but it's a great economical, high quality piece of glass that I really love. Definitely get some chromatic aberrations, but it works well, and if you know how to use it, all Voigtlander glass I think can work really well. And then this is a new purchase, my 100 to 400 Sigma f5 to 6.3 big telephoto zoom. I'm going out to do a lot more, I think, wildlife, nature photography, and I just wanted a big zoom. This comes in at around $900, so all things considered, economical for this size lens. Yeah, really excited to take some shots with this. Now, beyond this camera stuff, what I also have, or rather beyond my lenses and whatnot, I have this other kit. So in here, I have my Leica Q. This is my B camera. Maybe I just want to walk around town somewhere I'm visiting, be a little bit more discreet. I have that. I have my headlamp in here. I have my battery chargers with extra batteries and whatnot. And then, preparing for this trip, still debating. I have my M7 film camera, which my 35 lens, this is M mount with an L adapter. So my Leica Sl2 is L adapter, but this is an M lens, which will go on my M film body. So this is really the crux of my kit. Alongside that, I also have my Manfrotto 190 Go tripod with a ball head on top. That is what my current camera is on right now. And then alongside that, I have my Sigma 14 to 24 2.8, which this is a brand new lens for me. I'm very excited to be using it. You know, putting Sigmas on a Leica camera felt kind of weird to me, but I just can't afford the Leica glass yet. One day I will get to that point of getting some Leica glass, but from what I can see, great piece of glass. And of course, my Leica Sl2. I'm falling in love with this camera. It takes amazing photos. I love the ergonomics of it. It feels so robust. It's just a little pricey, which, you know, remains to be seen how well this works out for me. But I'm excited to go on this adventure and, you know, take some shots. You know, another thing I do want to share with you, which I'm actually currently using, this is my Omni charge battery block, and I'm actually plugged my camera into it via USB-C. I love this block. It works really well for charging things on the road, and you know, it has the actual let me show you. It has actual just normal plug here, so you're able to plug in pretty much anything, or plug in via USB. So really a really multi-purpose tool there. And yeah, those are sort of my go-to going out on the trip, you know, a way to charge. I also have a power inverter for my car so I can charge my batteries. I always have at least 2, if not 3 batteries for each camera. I have my B camera, my A camera, telephoto, wide angle zoom, beautiful portraiture, and then my go-to sort of walk around 35 millimeter. Yeah, this is my kit for now. Really excited. Think it's going to work well. And then as time goes on, I'll build out and get more Leica glass, but that's it for now. So hope that's been helpful. This is my travel kit. And yeah, let me know what you're traveling with. And if you ever need any recommendations on what piece of gear to get next to fill out yours, reach out to me on Instagram handle @ShimizuJones. Thanks everyone.